I'm going through in my life. I think some of you should understand where I'm coming from. Listen to the song. Thank you very much. I really love my money, but my money don't love me. Every time I get some, it just wants to be free. My money says it loves me, and sometimes I believe, but when I go to save it, it just gets up and leaves. Let me explain to you why my money leaves. Well, my Samoan family, they love my money too. They ring me, they write me, please send some money through. I sent you money last week. What happened to that lot? How much do you need? They say, just give us all you got. That's why they call it Samoa, because they just want Samoa and Samoa. And all of us who don't live in Samoa, we have got no more, no more. But lucky for me, I have friends who are going through the same situation. Let me tell you a story there. I'm listening. I have a target friend. He loves his money too. We like to share our stories about how money blows. He says he owes so much, and sometimes he can't breathe. I said, at least you have the option of selling your coating. Now, sometimes when you have a bit of money, you want to spend it on someone you love. Let me tell you what happened when I did that. I had a rural girlfriend, she was a good advisor. She teach me how to budget and spend my money wiser. She said, let's come tomorrow, the weather there is fine. Just put it on your card. And when I did, I got declined. And when I asked her to marry me, I got declined. And so I asked her sister, I got declined. You know what? I have some friends who's got a heaps of money, and I want to share the name to you. Here we go. I have a Maori friend. He's got a heaps of money. He's tried for compensation from the Treaty of Waitangi. I said, hey, we are one people, cuz he said he's from Hawaii. I said, oh, come on, man, you know it's officially called Hawaii. I want to tell you something I think a lot of you already know already. Money can't buy love. And this is something that happened to me. Well, my Samoan wife, she was really mad. She wanted activos and half of what we had. I said, come on, my darling, I thought I was your hero. She said, I want my half. I said, okay, what's half of zero? You love my money, but my money don't love me. Because every time I get some, they just want to be free. Sometimes I believe, but when I go to save it, it just gets up and leaves. But now the show is finished, you can all go and leave.